Hey guys, today we're going to see how to connect Pipedrive with Shopify using Integrately. Automatically send your deals, contacts, or customer details from Pipedrive straight into Shopify. First head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, search for and select Pipedrive as your first application. Next, search for and select Shopify as your second application. From the list of available automations, choose the one that creates a Pipedrive note for each new Shopify customer and click Activate. You'll then be prompted to connect your Shopify account. Enter your API key, admin API access token, and domain. Then click Continue. After setting up Shopify, sign in to your Pipedrive account to authorize the integration. In the Automation Builder, you'll notice a condition is already set to check if an email from Shopify exactly matches an email in Pipedrive. Next, map the fields for creating a new lead in Pipedrive. For example, use the description from Shopify as the title and assign the corresponding person and organization ID. Once everything is mapped, test the automation and turn it on. And don't forget, the links to set up this automation are available in the description below. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Pipedrive with Shopify using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.